I get a lot of inspiration from a lot of different things, completely unrelated. A lot of the skateboard design was influenced from a few medical devices. Amsterdam is banning all petrol vehicles, so fully electric is a natural next step for a more sustainable future. And it's the quickest way of getting from home to work. It's also the most fun way, zipping past everyone stuck in traffic. I think innovation is mainly about doing something new. That's where a lot of the innovation for a lot of electric vehicles is coming from at the moment, is all the electronics and battery technology. The construction of the skateboard built the whole thing up in Fusion to start with, so I could check everything, and the deck had to be captured in 3D, so I had to create a 3D model just to get an idea onto the screen. So I could use Fusion as a 3D sketchbook. It's a bamboo deck. The bamboo helps it flex, so it's really nice to carve with. We have the batteries at the front here, flat flex cables, 2 running just underneath the grip tape, and that transmits the power to the back of the board where the speed controllers are. I think electric transportation and also smaller personal transportation is going to play a pretty big role in future methods of transport. The last mile of commuting, I think that is the hard part for public transport. So it makes sense.